Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Passing It On, a culinary legacy for the next generation. I am Reena Govender, your host for today. Today I have with me my dear mum, who was my opposition in my kitchen. And in fact, I call her the Speedy Gonzales in my kitchen because she can move faster than lightning. If I tell her I want something cooked, it's done in like 2 minutes. So mum, thank you for being on our show. And a little about yourself. How many siblings do you have? Brothers?
I have 2 brothers.
Okay. And from which age did you start cooking?
I started at the age of 12.
At the age of 12. So she started cooking at the age of 12, and to date she is still cooking. She's very shy of the mic. I had to do a lot of convincing to get her on the stage right now. In fact, I can actually see her trembling right now. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on the show. So today we're going to be making a kebab, a lamb kebab, and we're going to be serving that with roti. Okay, and now for the ingredients for the kebab, we're going to basically marinate this kebab, make it into balls. So mom, can you tell me what ingredients you're using here for this?
I got my masala.
Okay, is that mixed with chili powder or just masala?
Masala and chili powder.
Okay, so she's got the masala and chili powder. In fact, I buy this. And over here?
Turmeric powder.
Okay.
My rough salt.
Okay, why do you have 2 kind of salts here?
This fine salt for mixing the
Oh, okay. So the fine salt is for the making of the kebabs, and then the rough salt is for the chutney. Okay, and then she's got here garnishing chili, your mint, and your crushed dhania as well.
Yes.
And then this is for the kebab.
The kebab.
So this, as you can see, it's diced onion, and then she's got oil, and we've got ginger garlic, and this is for the chutney later on.
Chutney, yes.
Okay, and this is our tomato. So this is the ingredients for the kebabs. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to make the kebabs into balls. Okay, ma'am, you're going to just show us?
Okay, you add your onions.
Okay, so we're going to add firstly the onions to the mixture. Okay, so that's about how many onions?
2 onions.
2 onions, okay. So that's 2 onions.
You add your salt. Sorry.
Your masala.
Masala.
Okay, so that's 1 teaspoon. Okay.
You add your ginger garlic.
Okay, you can use the same spoon. So we're going to have about 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic. Okay.
You add your
Rough salt, fine salt. We're going to add fine salt to this. You don't have to have a lot because you're also going to put that in the chutney.
Okay.
And then your turmeric.
Then you add your dhania, chilies.
And your thyme. You can actually use shallot as well. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. And then the last ingredients, you have to have egg, which is, it binds this together. Okay. So we're going to put that on. So now we're just going to mix this a bit. Okay. Okay. So you can see mom is just mixing that a bit. Okay. You have to use your hands with this, unfortunately, because you need to mix all together. We used a plate because in a bowl you can't actually see her mixing it. So here it's open. Okay. Okay, so that's nicely mixed up. Okay, on this side as well. Okay, so we're just gonna mix all that together. In fact, we're using lamb mince. You can actually use your beef mince. Depends on your preference as well. Okay, so that's nicely mixed up. So now we're going to make it into balls. Okay, you're going to show them how to do that? Okay, depends on the size of ball that you want. You can make it small, you can make it big, it depends on you. Okay. Okay. As you can see, she's making it round. So that's done. So we're just going to show you like about 3 balls to do, so you can know what we're doing. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this is the round balls that's been done. Okay, so you need to do that with the balance of the ingredients. Okay, so we're back to the frying of the kebabs. As you can see, the kebabs are nicely rolled up. So, Mum, you're going to add some oil there?
Yes, add oil.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to fry the kebabs.
Kebab.
Okay. So this frying pan is nice and big. I'm going to put all that. I'm just going to help her with that. So as I said, you can make bigger kebab balls. So how many, was this half a kilo of nuts?
Yes, half a kilo.
So we made about 20 kebabs, yeah? As you can see, this frying pan is quite nice, big. So one shot, you can just get that. And the last one. So now you can't stir this, you know, all of a sudden because you're going to break the kebab. You need to let it fry and then you need to turn this on. So we're just going to let this fry about 2 minutes and then we're going to turn that on. Okay, we're back to the frying pan. Is the kebabs ready?
Yes, it's ready.
Okay, so we're going to take the
Take
kebab.
it out.
Okay, so how about 5 to 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Okay, so we're going to take that out. You can see it's turned golden brown. And it's intact, it's not broken up as well. So this is ready. So now we're going to, as you can see, the kebab is ready. So we're going to start with the chutney.
Chutney. You can use the same oil.
Okay. Okay, so now for the cooking of the chutney, we're using the same oil.
Oil,
Okay.
yes.
Because it's got the flavor in it already. So don't waste, we're going to use the same.
Use
so
the onions
okay.
and chilies.
So she's adding some onion, some chili to that. Just going to stir that a bit. So it has to get a bit brown.
Brown, and then we add our spice.
Okay. So what's your favorite meal, Mom? She's scared when I'm asking her questions. She warned me at home, not too many questions. Okay, she likes bindi at home. Always buying that for her. And she's the only one that eats bindi at home. And I'm not a bindi person as well. Okay. So we're just going to let that cook for fry for about 3 minutes.
3 minutes, and we add
because
our
we want the tomato, the onion to be
brown.
crystallized, brown. Okay, so we're back to the onion. Okay, is it ready?
Yes,
okay,
it's ready.
Okay, so you're going to add the?
Turmeric powder.
Okay. So that's like 1 teaspoon. We're using very small spoons.
Then 2 spoons of masala.
Okay, that's 1. That's 2. Okay.
Then you add your tomato.
I'll help you with that. Going to add the tomatoes. Can I grate the tomatoes?
Yeah, you can grate the tomatoes.
Okay.
Then you add your salt.
So she's using rough salt for this.
Then
So
you
we
add your curry leaf.
okay. Some curry leaf to that. So how many minutes should this tomato cook till it gets a bit soft? About
then you
10
add
minutes. Your kebabs.
kebab.
Okay. So we're going to come back to this in the next, say, 10 minutes. Okay, so we're back to the chutney. As you can see, if you want to stir that, it's nicely cooked. It's gone a bit soft. It's thick as well. So are we ready for the kebabs?
Ready? We can put the kebab.
Okay, so just going to drop that in. You have to do it gently so it doesn't break. Okay. Just want to stir the tomato into that. But you have to be gentle with that. Okay. As you can see, it's a nice color.
And
Rich.
wait for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Then we can
All right.
take that.
Okay, so our kebabs are ready. As you can see, it looks lovely. So we're going to have that plated with roti. Okay, so I'm going to put some there. Okay. That looks absolutely delicious. So I'm just going to, okay, that's fine. I'm going to add some garnish to that. If you want some pickles, you can add to that as well. Okay. So, yeah. This is kebabs. You can have this with your bread, you can have it with your rice, but preferred kebabs always goes with roti. So Mom, thank you so much for being on our show. We appreciate you showing your talent to us and to viewers out there. Make sure you like us on Facebook, go to our YouTube page and subscribe. And remember, eating is a necessity, but cooking is an art. So make sure you pass it on to the next generation. From us, God bless and good